Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. So today we're going to bring you another video for installation on not only Sakura Blossom but the brand new Dragon Livery. So let's do this thing. We've already got started here on the 370Z. Sammy's here and this is going to be nice. Sammy, what's your Instagram?
That one VQ.
That one VQ. Make sure to check him out because the pictures of this thing are gonna be sick. So, got the brand new Dragon designed by DB Cooper on Instagram. Link here. And I mean, this thing came out great. This is gonna be the first one on any car. We got the Sakura Blossoms going up first. We got the Dragon going on now. Start off here with Sakura Blossoms on the front. We started with a big branch. Didn't quite work out so well, so we did a smaller one. I'll probably be including that with the next kit, anyone that ends up purchasing one. And now we're on to the big boy. This is going to be really, it's not easy, let's just put it that way. I do highly recommend doing like a professional wrap shop or whatever. We're doing a hinge method, basically putting a strip of tape across, tearing down the front, and then ripping off the back, mounting that there. So this is the important part where you don't want to cut the paint. Ask me how I know.
And you really don't want to rip the backing because if you see, like, this is a really nice clean cut. With this stuff, as soon as you rip it, it gets very like fragmenty and it will get into the vinyl, and you don't want that because then it'll be like dirt behind the vinyl. So get you a nice sharp blade and just cut it off.
So basically I'm doing the hinge method again like we were saying earlier. I'm just doing it about here to this point and gonna rip off the backing paper, chop off the tape, mount the vinyl onto here, and then basically just do the rest and follow and curve the body on down, which is a lot of curves and it makes it really a lot more complicated to do. Following the hinge, I'm going to lay it back down. Basically, this Sakura livery is pretty darn universal. I mean, you'll be able to, basically you need to make it work for your own car, but it's not hard to do. So like, kind of just have to have an eye for it, mock it up first with tape, and just see how the whole thing flows. Basically, the whole thing is able to flow down the side of the fender just right. I chopped another couple pieces off because I didn't want it to get right here. You can do that. You can chop things off, you can move things around. I can chop this entire branch off here, only have one, put the rest somewhere else if I wanted to. Just gotta get creative with it. So, just peeling back the application tape. There's a couple spots I'll probably just trim, so just basically ever so lightly with a very sharp blade. And just pull that right off. Alright, come over here. So, sometimes these will be sent with a couple little imperfections like here, these weren't weeded out. Basically, just the amount of time it takes just to weed these vinyls is pretty complex, and we make mistakes sometimes. So basically you just gotta pull that back up, that's it. Take your fingernail, push it up, pull it off, done. Not too bad.
So Ryan, you just placing the petals wherever you want?
Yeah, you just gotta kind of eyeball it. So it comes with, you know, we give you it's like 30 or so big flowers and like 40 little flowers. Just kind of step back, look at it, see what looks like needs more. So like here looks a little blank. Great. See, look, I thought that spot looked blank, but now you step back and look and it looks good.
If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.